Hey, what up? I'm having fun today. Whee!
It is really, really hot. It's really, really, really hot. It's really hot.
Yes.
It's so hot.
It's so hot, man.
It was so hot.
Look at my skin.
How was the shoot?
It was fun, but sobrang init. It's so hot, man.
It was so hot.
Look at my skin.
I think I got another tan.
Let me ask you a question.
Sure.
How do you feel whenever we do a shoot together?
I love it.
Really?
I love it. I love people who just let me be myself and have the same, not even the same, like similar creative direction. Like working with different people, you get different feelings.
Okay.
Sometimes you're like, okay, with this person I need to be calm and modest. With some people I can be wild and crazy.
Really? So did you have like experiences that like the photographer tells you?
No, like most of my photographers I work with, they're telling me to still be me.
Okay.
But obviously every photographer has their own style.
Okay, yeah, of course.
And plus, when I work with different photographers of different styles, I learn things for myself.
Yeah.
At the same time, I learn how to pose. I learn how to dress. I learn angles.
So, what's the most challenging part? I mean, when you model for a photo shoot?
Looking at the sun. I wouldn't say as well I have any challenges. That's such a cocky thing to say.
Okay.
But
What?
I think it's how to be natural and not be forced. Because like earlier you were telling me you're too stiff. Like how to loosen up. My biggest challenge is being crazy in public in front of the camera. Like if you told me to do that shoot in public, I'd be like, you want me to do what?
Okay.
Or when you told me to be like,
Yeah, like movie.
yeah, I don't know how to do that.
The first shoot we actually executed it perfectly. Like the weird stuff, the moving of the kicking, and then the moving
Yeah,
of
the
the
kicking,
hands.
I felt I was stiff. I felt, because it's not something I usually do.
Really? Okay.
So like, I had the shoot as well with my friends and he was telling me, okay, be like water, do like, I'm like, you want me to do what? Like the Matrix? What?
Yeah, but it's one of the challenges of like doing those kind of shoots. I mean, as a model, like if you're not that experienced and then photographers ask you to do that posy stuff, it's really hard.
Because it's not that, when you're posing, nothing is natural about posing.
Yeah, that's true.
What's the hardest thing you do when you work with models?
Well, with models, actually with professional, like with people who are experienced in the field, I have no trouble because they already know their angles, they know how to pose. The biggest challenge in like doing photo shoots is doing a shoot with people who are not used to be in front of the camera. So you have to make them move naturally.
And how do you get them comfortable?
Well, I do it before the shoot, you know, be friends with them, and then, you know, just have fun. And then during the photo shoot, we usually do like warm-up shots before we do the actual.
Okay.
Yeah, like we did before, you know, you just stand there or just keep moving. No, you remember what we did the last time, something like that.
Okay.
And then yeah, just talk to the model while.
Make them feel comfortable.
Yeah, exactly. You should like make them feel that they're not in a photo shoot, you know, you just have fun, something like that. So that's my technique actually. And then the emotion they show in the camera, it's
Authentic?
Yeah, it's really authentic. So that's awesome. Hey.
Now we're gonna get some coffee, cold coffee, because it's really hot. By the way, this is Angelo.
Yeah, Angelo Hilao. Follow me on Instagram.
I'll put his pop-up somewhere here.
Somewhere.
Somewhere there. You'll be seeing more of him.
Thank you.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
So, Angelo and I were just going to Starbucks to get our drink as per our last vlog, and look, we ran into It's Doomsday. It's Doomsday. This is my heaven right here. These two people.
Literally, bring the camera. Okay, so I was waiting for my frappuccino. Then I heard a voice, and I'm like, I know his voice. Then I was like,
Kina? Oh, and Dooms and I are matching. Apparently this is not blue, this is denim, and I'm cheating. No, I'm not cheating. This is still blue. I had a shoot today, so there was no way in hell I was going to wear like a fancy, crazy ass color, because I still need to look professional, right? Bye.